What if aging didn't mean decline, but was simply a sign your body needs better fuel? For years, men over 60 have been told that fatigue, low drive, and performance issues are just part of getting older. The billion-dollar men's health industry profits from that belief, selling pills and injections that only treat symptoms, not the root cause. But now, research is revealing something far more exciting. 4 natural fruits, commonly found in your grocery store, may hold the key to restoring your vitality, performance, and energy without side effects or prescriptions. We're talking about a green fruit that fuels your testosterone, a yellow fruit that recharges your energy at the cellular level, a red one that revitalizes your blood flow, and a blue fruit, yes, blue, that supports deep recovery and protects your body from aging stressors. These fruits don't just nourish, they help you rebuild. And when combined in a simple morning ritual, they can help you feel stronger, sharper, and more alive, starting in just 1 week. Stick around because at the end, I'll reveal a bonus tip that amplifies the effects of all 4 fruits so you can see and feel results even faster. Let's unlock your body's potential, starting now. 1. Avocado. The silent testosterone booster. The next fruit on our list works in a different but equally powerful way. It helps restore testosterone naturally. Michael, 68, came to me with a quiet frustration. "I just don't feel like a man anymore," he said. He stayed active and took care of himself, yet he felt slower, weaker, disconnected from the spark that once defined him. This isn't rare. Testosterone levels tend to dip after 60, but it's not just about hormones. It's about how those hormones affect everything from motivation to mood to intimacy. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, essential for testosterone production. They also deliver magnesium and zinc, 2 minerals vital for maintaining healthy hormone levels. And they're loaded with vitamin B6, which helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that interferes with testosterone. When Michael began adding just half an avocado to his daily routine, the shift was almost immediate. He felt more awake, more driven, like he had his edge back. His sleep improved, his outlook brightened, and life felt exciting again. 2. Banana, the energy generator. Now, let's talk about the second fruit. It's often underestimated because it's so common, but its benefits are anything but basic. I'm talking about the banana, a potent source of energy and cellular fuel. Thomas, a 73-year-old retired principal, told me he felt completely drained, mentally, physically, and emotionally. He wasn't depressed, just exhausted to his core. I asked him one question: "When's the last time you had a real breakfast that energized you?" He admitted he usually skipped it. That was the turning point. Bananas are packed with potassium, which doesn't just prevent cramps. It helps regulate blood pressure and supports smooth circulation throughout the body. They also contain magnesium and vitamin B6, which calm the nervous system and support heart health. But what makes bananas truly exceptional is their ability to fuel every cell in your body with steady, reliable energy. They also contain tryptophan, which the body converts into serotonin, a natural mood lifter that reduces stress and boosts focus. Thomas started his day with a banana, a dab of peanut butter, and a glass of water. Within a few days, he felt steadier, more focused, and no longer hit that mid-morning energy crash. 3. Pomegranate, the circulation supercharger. We're talking about pomegranate, a natural powerhouse that supports healthy blood flow, boosts performance, and even benefits prostate function. I'll never forget James, one of my patients in his early 70s. He walked into my office and said, "Doctor, I just don't feel like myself anymore." His energy was low, his confidence shaky, and intimacy with his wife had become a memory. But here's what most men don't realize. The problem often isn't age, it's blood flow. And pomegranates are rich in polyphenols, particularly punicalagins, which help protect the lining of your arteries and ramp up nitric oxide production, the very molecule responsible for relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. In clinical studies, men who consumed pomegranate juice daily experienced stronger, longer-lasting erections, often within just 2 weeks. No prescriptions, no side effects, just nature doing what it was designed to do, James committed to 6 ounces of pure pomegranate juice every morning. Within days, he felt more alive. He stood taller, smiled more, and even joked that his wife was giving him that look again. Number 4. Blueberry, the cellular repair agent. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect your brain, reduce inflammation, and support muscle and nerve recovery. They help combat oxidative stress, one of the silent drivers of aging and fatigue in men over 60. Whether you're dealing with brain fog, muscle soreness, or simply want to stay mentally sharp, blueberries offer natural protection that helps your body bounce back faster and age more gracefully. Now you've got the full picture: 4 powerful fruits, each targeting a vital part of your strength and well-being. Avocado naturally supports testosterone, banana for long-lasting energy and mood, pomegranate for blood flow and performance. Blueberries protect your cells and enhance recovery. Together, they form the Morning Vitality Quartet, a natural, science-backed way to reclaim your power, confidence, and clarity at any age. So here's your daily ritual: half an avocado, 1 banana, a glass of pomegranate juice, a handful of fresh or frozen blueberries, all in under 5 minutes. No pills, no gimmicks, just real food with real results. If you found this valuable, share it with someone you care about: a father, a friend, a brother, someone who deserves to feel strong again. Leave your biggest men's health question in the comments. I'm listening, and I'll use your input to shape future videos that truly matter. Make sure to subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss these practical, science-backed strategies for living strong well past 60. Until next time, stay safe, stay strong, and stay healthy. You're not done, you're just getting started.